Class, our today's new topic is probability. So what is the meaning of probability, class? Probability means percentage of happening or not happening of that particular event. Suppose I am talking about toss. So there is a possibility of heads and there is a possibility of tails also. But what is the possibilities, class? 50% chance of heads and 50% chances tails will come in the toss. So the probability of head is 50% and probability of tails is 50%. So sometimes, class, your probability is 50-50%, but sometimes your probability is very less, or sometimes it's very high. Suppose I am talking about rain in the July month. Then what is the possibility? There is a very high possibility, very high chances. There is a very high chances, or we can say there is a very high probability to rain in the month of July. So it means, class, it's the word we can use for this, more likely. It means when you have a very high percentage, then we can say more likely. And if I am talking about less likely, class, it means when you have a very less percentage, then we can say it's less likely. The rain in the month of June. So class, if I am talking about rain in the month of June, then there is a very less chance or less percentage of rain in the month of June. It's possible that in June also that there will be a rain, but there is a very less chance. So there is a very less probability or less chances of rain in the month of June. But if I am talking about snowfall in June, then it's impossible, class. Impossible event. So class, we have a three types of chances: 50-50, more likely, or less likely. In possible chances you have three category, class: 50-50, more likely, and less likely. Okay, class, so now here we have to find that in these events, is it possible, certain, or impossible? So possible means, class, there is a possibility, more likely. Impossible, you all know. And certain means 100% it is possible. So you have to find this. You will throw a 7 with a normal die. So class, in a dice there is no 7, so it's impossible. You all know Ludo dice, class. There is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there is no 7, so it's impossible to 7 in a die. Your friend will call you tonight. Yes, there is a chances, there is a possibility that my friend can call me tonight. So this is a chance, so there is a possibility. Understand, class? So it's possible. A cat will give birth to puppies next year. This is impossible to guess that surely cat will give the birth puppies. So it's impossible, class. Your answer is B. Now, class, your next is Thursday will be the day after Wednesday next week. So after Wednesday there will be a Thursday, class. So definitely it's your certain answer. So C is your answer. Definitely there will be a Thursday after Wednesday. You will have cornflakes, samosas and toast in your breakfast today. So class, what do you think? Is it possible? Yes, there is a possibility that you have a samosas, toast and cornflakes in your breakfast today. So your answer is possible. Next is, it will be winter in Australia when it is summer in India. It's very important. There is a geographical conditions different in Australia and India. When India has a summer, at that time Australia faces the winter. So it's true, class. So your answer is certain. Seventh is, you will be able to see a live dinosaur in the city zoo. So what do you think, class? Is it possible? It's impossible nowadays to see dinosaur. So it's impossible. Your answer is B. And you will be awarded a prize for your good performance. So class, yes, if you perform well, then you will definitely get awarded by prize. So there is a possibility. So your answer is A. Now class, next question is categorize each outcome as likely or unlikely. So you have to write likely or unlikely, A or B. A is likely, B is unlikely. So question is, you will not get reservation in the train due to heavy Dashera rush. So there is a possibility that you will not get the reservation. So your definitely answer is likely. It means it is possible. Your friend will go to the moon next month. There is a very less chance, class, that your friend will go moon to the next month. So it's unlikely. Someone in your class will be absent next week. Yes, class, there is a very high chances that someone will be absent. So it's likely. It will snow in Mussoorie in January. So there is a very high chances of snow in the Mussoorie in January, so likely. And there will be floods in Delhi in March next year. So class, in next year, March month, there will be a flood. It's very less chance, especially in Delhi. So answer is unlikely. So in this question, class, choose the likelihood which matches the outcome of each event. Impossible, unlikely, even, likely, certain. So you have 5 options, class. So in first question, the school football team will win the local tournament. So what do you think, class? Yes, there is a chances. It's not impossible, it's not unlikely. There is a chances. So we can say likely. Mr. Shah will cut the grass on his lawn when it is snowing. It's not impossible that when it will be snow that he will cut its grass, but yes, we can say it's unlikely. It's unusual, so very less chances are there. So unlikely is your answer. While going to the school, you will pass by a white car. So class, it's possible. While going to the school, you will pass by a white car. So there is so many white cars are there. So there is a chance of white cars are there. So our answer is D. Number 4th is, the mountaineer will be hurt if he fell off the mountain. So there is a 100% chance that he will be hurt. 5th, the number on the top face of the ordinary die will be an even number. What do you think? There is a even chances. In die you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So your even numbers are 2, 4 and 6, and 1, 3, 5s are odd. So you have a 50% chance of even numbers and 50% chance of odd numbers. So we can say even chances. So next is, the next baby to be born will be a female. So there is a 50-50 chance to newborn baby will be a female or male. So we can say even chances. Next is, the number on the top face of an ordinary die when rolled with less than 7. So class, definitely there will be a number in the top of the face of ordinary die. So definitely there is a certain chance. The Titanic will float back up to the top of the ocean. So class, it's impossible now. You will live for 100 years. Class, it's not impossible, but it's a very less chance. So we can say unlikely is our answer. It's not impossible, class. Maybe you will live 100 years, but there is a very less chance of that. So we can say unlikely is our answer. A dog will have kittens. So it's impossible to dog have kittens, class, because kittens are the babies of cat. So Monday will be the day after Tuesday next week. Class, What do you think? It's impossible. The day after Tuesday is not Monday. So you will have a birthday next year. Yes, class, you have a birthday. So definitely there is a certainty of your birthday because there is a fixed date is there. So certain is your answer.